Look what just arrived. It's the American Soft Linen Luxury 6-piece. This has 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, 2 washcloths, and it is 100% Turkish cotton. And my towels are in need of an upgrade, so I ordered these. I'm super excited because I'm going to open them up now, so let's do information cards. Oh, how to wash instructions. Wash before use. That's actually what I'm going to wash before use. Wash separately. Machine wash warm. Right off the bat, I can tell you these are soft, but I am not going to give my real proper opinion on these until I've given them a wash, see how they hold up through the washer and dryer in terms of color, in terms of softness, in terms of pilling. I want to see it all. So I'm going to go wash these and then I will come back and show you exactly how they fare. I have returned with receipts. Okay, here are the American Soft Linen Luxury 6-piece 100% Turkish cotton towels, fresh out of the washer and dryer. Let's see how they look up. That's a nice quality towel. Do you see this? What I am not seeing here is, you know how when some towels, when they heat up, they kind of tighten up in these areas. They get kind of, and so you've got a towel that has like a wonky shape. Nice, straight. Okay, I'm going to show you this up close again. This is so plush, super squishy. It doesn't chemically or synthetic in a gross way at all. This feels like it's going to, I cannot wait to use these towels. Look at this hand towel. Again, we don't see the tightening up here from it having just been in the dryer, which is really, they've retained their color. Hand towel. These would be great as your main towel or for guests. If you like to color coordinate, this is a nice bright aqua blue and no fading from that as far as I can see from that wash and dry. And I did wash it on cool and I dried it just regular hot. These are hot. These are so cozy. I kind of want to just go snuggle with them. Anyway, this is the American Soft Linen Luxury 6-piece towel set. It comes with 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, 2 washcloths. And this is 100% Turkish cotton. I would definitely get these again, and I cannot wait to start using them.